What's up, guys? It's Yella from Forex Hero again. We are today going over the markets with our weekly overview, and let's get some pips. Alright, first of all, we are going to go over some gold trades. We are possibly looking at a sell opportunity right here because we saw last week we had a nice sell off and we pushed down more to our last support low here at 1785. Now we see the last 2 days we had some nice pullback to the upside, and if we draw our Fibonacci right here of our last move, we see that we are literally in our golden zone between our 0.61 and 0.5. So we are looking for some kind of retracement back to the downside right now. That's my opinion for sure. If we close today's candle here between these zones with some kind of a wick to the upside would be nice, because we can probably see some move to the downside tomorrow and the day after probably. After that we will probably go further back up again, but for now I want to see something like this, just break of this structure, this zone, for example, retest and then go down. That would be my ideal setup, and then we can probably see something like this. If we just, oh sorry, if we just do this, go down a little bit, retest, then we could possibly see something like this. Our first take profit would be, for example, around 1820-ish, around this zone, and our second take profit would be something like this, around between 1810, I would say, and 1805. That would be a nice second take profit. Okay, but make sure to wait, because if you can see on the higher time frames, this, okay, we are in our golden zone, but that doesn't mean that we are for sure are going down. Okay, so keep that in mind. Next one, GJ. GJ is really interesting right now, really on the shorter time frames. We can see something like this. We saw that we kind of breaking some structure, and we see that the markets wants to go down, but it's not really sure yet, because in my opinion we really need to break this low first before we can say, okay, we are going to downtrend for a little. So I've already drawn it a little bit what I want to see. If we can see this low broken, I want to see a retest again at around that zone, and then we can possibly go for a sell setup. Okay, I'll just draw a new one. So for example, like this. My first take profit would be something around this zone, and our second take profit would be something around here. So that would be a really nice trade if, of course, we can see that break retest, and some kind of rejection candle would be nice before we enter. This would be another 1 to 5 risk reward, so a really nice setup if we, of course, can do that break retest. Next one, Euro USD, really interesting right now. If you can see in the higher time frames, of course, we just made we just broken our last support zone, and we are now kind of retesting that zone again. So in my opinion, if we see on the lower time frames some kind of rejection around this zone, we could possibly see another move to the downside. Okay, so in my opinion, I want to see the markets a little bit lower, something like this would be a nice take profit. But this is a little bit of a waiting game, because as you can see, we already have been in our golden zone, in my opinion. So it could be possible that we can see a move further back to the upside. So on the lower time frames, please wait until you can see some kind of rejection around this zone, or even this low broken again. If we break this low, for example, we can see something like this, break this low, a clear candle closure below the low, retest, and then possibly something like this. And after that, if we break this last low and we can find some kind of consolidation or some kind of rejection around this one, this zone here, then I will start and looking for some kind of break of structure and move it back to the upside. Next one and our last one for today is GU. GU, I want to see go down again a little bit. Why? Because if GU goes down, GJ will probably follow. And like I told you guys before, I want to see GJ go down a little bit. So it would be nice to see GU go down as well. As you can see, we are at some kind of consolidation zone. A couple of days, actually almost a couple of weeks already. Some kind of consolidation. We have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 touches at this resistance level. So it's just a waiting game if we are going to break this one, yes or no. Of course, if we can see some kind of a break to the upside, just wait again to see a retest. If if our retest works out well, we can probably go further back to the upside. But for now, that's why I've drawn this horizontal line right here. This is kind of my point of interest where I want to see the markets go down again. Okay, it's not a lot. It's I think 20, 30 pips. So it's not a lot, but this is my point of interest right now to see some kind of rejection or maybe go further back down again. But this zone slash line is some kind of point of interest for me to look out for in the next couple of days or hours. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, thank you so much. Please leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more. I am going to do some new series as well, and I will upload some new videos about new strategies as well in the upcoming weeks. So keep on posting and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.